Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how the Chase Freedom Unlimited cashback works in just 1 minute. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, you earn 1.5% cashback on every purchase. No categories, no limits. That means every coffee, grocery, or online order earns you rewards automatically. You can also earn higher cash back in special categories. For example, purchases in travel or dining may earn 3% cash back, and sometimes there are bonus promotions for certain categories. Your cashback is accumulated as Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which you can redeem in multiple ways like statement credits, direct deposit to your bank, gift cards, or even travel bookings through Chase Ultimate Rewards. There's no annual fee, and your cashback doesn't expire as long as your account is open. Plus, you can combine it with other Chase cards to maximize rewards. And that's it. That's how Chase Freedom Unlimited cashback works. Simple, flexible, and rewarding.